I want to thank Joe Medved and Joe's Black Book for putting this together. Thank you very much. So.
We really believe that you can't expect what you don't inspect. This sustainability is not something we should be selfish with. This is really something we should all share.
We kind of have had this mentality of like, you can't change the rules if you're not in the game. We've partnered with this co-op to create a like above fair trade wage, a profit sharing dividend, and then a retirement fund. It's kind of scary how quickly you can change a community like overnight.
I personally believe in the human species.
And I think as consumers, we have now more tools available to us to make the right decisions. We have the power to change what brands are doing.
And I've had enough for you, you've had enough for me. We should get out